Today I'm going to be doing a haircut tutorial of Nick Austin, who literally I have no idea who this kid is. I never even heard of him before. And I keep getting so many requests for all these TikTokers and stuff. And basically, if you have nice hair and you're somewhat good looking, then you can become a famous TikToker. Clearly, that's kind of what's going on. So this is his Instagram, and his hair in his latest photos here is a bit on the more blonde side compared to, it looks like how he had it a little bit darker. So I am going to be using a pretty light-haired mannequin here, and I'm going to go through the haircut tutorial. I'll do the haircut and then I'll break it down. What makes it unique about this, as you can see in through here, unlike a lot of other guys who just, it looks like a dead animal on their head, he actually has healthy hair. He's got a nice flow to it. And it's not that typical kind of flipped up in the front. It's just kind of a more natural, textured, beachy wave look, which I really like. He does have it really short throughout the sides here, so it's unique how it's just really tapered up into this length. So I'm going to do the haircut, and then I'll break it down at the end. All right, guys, so here is the haircut breakdown. What I did is I used the #1 guard right in through here. This is pretty difficult to have such a short length in through here and then blend it up into having such longer hair in through here. But hey, he's obviously got that haircut. So again, I extended this all the way throughout the back. So it's a #1 down through here. And then I faded everything up. And then I worked everything in by hand, cutting it to where it's about, I'd say, 2.5 inches all the way throughout the sides, and then getting through the top and through here. This is where it starts to get longer. Again, the transition from short to longer. So now we're about, I'd say, 3.5 to 4 inches long, and then the very, very front from here going forward, I would say it's about 5 inches or so. And I use my Tidal Wave Sea Salt spray to use as a pre-styler, sprayed it in, and I blow dried his hair, try to get it smooth, And then I just raked my fingers back like this and then brought everything forward this way. So again, it's back and then pushing forward, and that kind of gives that little bit of a messy kind of look right in through here. So you can do this when the hair is wet, or you can do it when it's blow dried, but you know, he's got kind of that flow going on through here where it's somewhat forward, somewhat kind of messy, and a little bit textured and flipped throughout the front here. You know, I got a lot of requests for this, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. All right, YouTube, let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. Stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.